Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Down with Doug. Lately I picked up this new to me 2013 Toyota Tundra. You can't really tell it on camera too much, but these headlights, at least across the top, have quite a bit of oxidation on them. The big thing is these days is to replace them with aftermarket LED setups. And while I've seen a couple that I've liked, I don't have $500 to $1,500 to drop on headlights. So I picked up the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restore Kit. I've already used this on another vehicle before. It works very well, so I got some leftover stuff from it. I'm going to try to see what happens here with these lights, try to clean them up a little bit. This stuff's not exactly new in box because I have some of it left over from a previous job, but within it there's a couple oxidation removing pads. Step one, you're supposed to go over that first for the headlights, and then there's various grits of sandpaper to wet sand them, and then finally you go over it with a ceramic clear coat. So I'm going to go ahead and just do one of these headlights real quick. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on it, I just want to get it somewhat cleaner. But just a pad. I'm just going to polish off the headlight. The bottom of these lenses are pretty clean. Like I said, it's really just the top half, little sun-baked from the UVs. These oxidation removal wipes are just cleaning the surface. I think the kit comes with 6 of these. I don't see any reason to use more than one a headlight. I had good results with that. And the last headlights that I did, I only used one of the packs of the ceramic coating because it covered both of them. I didn't see the need to open another pack, so this was perfect. I already had this sitting on hand. Figured I might as well use it. I'm just going to pause this while I do the other light, and then I'll be back. Alright, I went through and used both of those oxidation removing pads that I had. It actually cleared up the headlights quite a bit. The next part is wet sanding. It comes with there a bunch of 2,000 and 3,000 grit sanding discs. These are made for wet sanding. So I just have a bottle of regular water. This actually might have a little bit of soap in it from a wrap that I've done, or a clear brawl. So just going to go ahead and we're going to do this. We have to do it in a circular manner. Just trying to get the entire headlight surface sanded down. Just trying to avoid any deep pressure on the headlight. We want to make sure it stays wet. You will see a lot of micro swirls in the lens while you do this, just from the sandpaper, but it'll clear up in the later steps. I'm going to go ahead and sand the other lens with the 2000 grit off camera. I've went ahead and done both headlights with the 2000 grit. I actually took the paper off by hand and just got into the corner a little better, so I wasn't using the whole pad that came with it. I'm going to do the process again with the 3000 grit. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, then I'm going to get a clean microfiber and wipe these down. Okay, at this point we have two headlights that are hazier than ever. You could go 1 or 2 steps further and hit this with a polishing compound, which I'd consider doing. I don't have time to mess with it right now. I just actually found this kit sitting in the shelf in my garage, and I figured, why not? It's been sitting here. I will tell you, the only issue is you let this kit sit, the ceramic coating crystallizes in the bag. It's actually a little crunchy. I have some other ceramic coatings that I could use, but for now, this is what we got. You can see it's quite crystallized, but it'll still work. All we're going to do is take this back and forth over the headlight. It's going to get a nice layer of that ceramic coating on the light and go back and forth with it. When this was new, this ceramic pad was actually wet. I'd say it's damp at best right now. I'm going to go ahead and go over the other light off camera. All right, all finished up. I went over and just buffed them ever so slightly with some other ceramic coating that I had. That pad that I had in the kit, when I originally used it, it worked well, but this thing was just so dry that there wasn't any real good coating on it. So I had some other ceramic coating that I used. Just went over it, let it flash for a little bit, and then polished it off. But for a half a kit, they look so much better than they did originally. I wasn't looking for perfection, but I just wanted to clean them up a little bit. That was the Cerakote Headlight Restorer. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up here, but if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. If this video is helpful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel. There's going to be quite a bit more content coming to this truck, but I've only had it for 3 days and really just getting everything cleaned up for now. Once the weather gets a little warmer, we'll then start doing some mods. So again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. Thanks.